Hi, my name is Nick Stover with Nick Stover Photography, and I'd like to invite you into my summer webinar series about processing your images. Through the course of this webinar series, we'll talk about luminosity, contrast, color, and textures. The first being seascapes and water images, where we'll be processing for contrast. The second is more landscape images, where we'll be processing for luminosity and light. Third will be a detailed image related to textures and sharpening. I'll also talk about focus stacking and focal length blending. The fourth is night photography, where we'll be talking about color. So these four-part series will last about an hour of me processing through images with questions and answers, and then we'll spend the last portion processing through your images. This has always been one of the best feedback portions of my workshops, and will continue to do so. So here's an example. Here's the first one. We'll take a raw file and we'll take a look at all the things that went into it. Everything from layer blending to curve effects to various levels of hue saturation adjustments, light bleeding, light blending, etc. As part of the registration for the first one, you will get a copy of my Lightroom workflow. The second part, we'll do more with other landscapes. We'll look at a few different scenes and talk about minor adjustments you want to make to an image like this, such as the water in the background and how to get the mousse to pop and to get the reflection to pop a little better. Or we'll look at forest scenes, talk about complex scenes like this, and like even more intimate scenes like this where we can get color pop through desaturation and some of the other things. Registration of the second class comes with one of my Lightroom preset brushes. These are all these different brushes I use in Lightroom to do things such as cooling images down, adding light source, adding contrast, warming scenes up, etc. The third in the section we'll talk about textures and to some element light. So how do you light paint to connect the horizon to the interior of your image, or how do you bring out the mid-tone details and the ripples in the sand as an example, or for something like this, how do you bring out the textures you want in the image? How can you sharpen your images in Photoshop? As part of the third series, you'll receive my commonly used presets in Lightroom. These complementary presets are good ways to get a sense of what you're dealing with in your images as you import them. And the grand finale will be Milky Way processing. We'll deal with a single image exposure like this. I'll talk about some of my field techniques and also talk about how the image was processed very simply and easily using only a few simple tools. We'll also look in much greater detail at a more complex image to talk about how I blended longer exposure, got some of the details around the tree correct, and did star stacking. So we'll take a look at that and also look at some of that. As part of this, you'll get a copy of my Milky Way workflow, which will help you to understand. So, but please don't take my word for it. Now, these are some of the reviews from past workshops, most recent workshops of people that took the spring series. So they've been huge success, all sold out, and looking forward to a great summer series. And so here's the information. It's super cost effective, 25 bucks per class. All sessions are recorded. You get the opportunity to interact with your images. Register today at Stover Photo Workshops Summer Workshops. Feel free to let me know of any questions. Look forward to seeing you